Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to use Revolut abroad. So the first step is to simply open Revolut, and then what you have to do is simply create a virtual card. So in order to do that, you'll have to simply open Revolut and then simply tap on this credit card icon in the top right corner. And then what you'll have to do is simply tap on add new, and then you'll have to simply choose virtual card. And then here you'll have to choose the color if you want, and then simply tap on get virtual card for free. And then here you have to label your card, so you can enter any name and then simply tap on create card. And as you can see, you're gonna have here your card. So if you want, you can see the details. So your card number, your expiration date, and the CVV. If you want, you can simply freeze the card. So if something happens and you want to get rid of this card, or you want to stop it, you can simply freeze it. Or if you want, you can simply tap on settings, and then you'll have a delete button and you can get rid of this virtual card. And basically it doesn't matter if you have subscriptions, they will not be able to get money off your Revolut account. And the last thing to do is to simply add to Apple Wallet. So in order to use that with your phone contactless, you'll have to simply add your virtual card to your Apple Wallet. So simply tap on add to Apple Wallet, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.